Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use Windows Hello on MSI Claw 7. So first, click on Windows button and Settings. Then go to Accounts, scroll down to Sign In Options, and here you have Windows Hello. For example, facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, and PIN. You can't put in the facial recognition because the Claw 7 doesn't have a camera, but we can set up PIN, as I did already. As you can see, I can only change it, but I can't remove it because it's the only way for now to log in. But we can put in the fingerprint. So click Setup, Get Started, put in your PIN, and touch the fingerprint sensor, which is right here when is the power on button. So click. Okay. We need to just lift our finger and touch it. Move your finger slightly higher. Okay. Rest your finger at the different angles to capture. Okay. Oh. And all set, as you can see. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.